Forests. Over half of all the world's trees, evergreen and deciduous, stand in these great assemblies. For many of us, they are places of mystery and darkness. They are key to our climate and home to countless unique species. In the past, we have destroyed them without hesitation. Yet, forests do have an astonishing ability to recover. In Africa, an immense salt pan remains from an ancient lake, a hostile, waterless expanse. Rarely, a massive downpour transforms it. Lesser flamingos arrive after a mysterious signal, feeding on dormant algae and breeding in rare optimal conditions. Nesting on a distant island, the birds use mud mounds to protect eggs from the scorching ground. As chicks hatch, they face a tough environment, walking miles guided by adults to find water. Challenges include solidified salt on their legs. Most chicks reach water after days, marking just the start of trials imposed by irregular rains. Predictable rainfall could lead to thriving and diverse life. Give us your feedback in the comments below and join us next time, as there is still much more to explore. Until then, keep exploring infinity.